Check it out, boys. Listen, pal. For the first time in the history of the world's Earth's surfaces, pal, sidandtips.ca is offering a discount, buddy. ThemRoofBoys 10, baby. This guy's got more nifty tricks than a magician, pal. All these little gadgets that make our life so much easier on the site. These magnetic staple caddies. Turn your average staple into a trapeze-trained staple able to hang from its head. Your side and tips. These are going to turn your DeWalt nailer to a real moneymaker, buddy. No question there. Got all those tool hooks. Super strong, flexible materials here. Can run over that with a truck. Handier than a reach around, pal. You're up on the ladder, up in the lift, up on the scaffold. You hang that from anything, a rafter, you name her. She covers her over. Just like a paint job, pal. Smaller hooks for your DeWalt tools. I got Makita, Milwaukee, DeWalt, Metabo. All kinds of nifty tricks, buddy. Pop that puppy anywhere, hang her up. You ever had sawdust just exploded in your face like Independence Day, pal? Slammed right in your face. Oh. We're lining you up, 10% off, sidingtips.ca. Every 100 spent, whew, carry on, lad.